Instagram collaborator problem, fix it easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram collaborator problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Open the apps manager like this, and on this page you will find all the apps as you can see. So let's just wait a few seconds, and after that you have to scroll until you find Instagram. Go to the permissions, enable all the permissions, go back, click on the power usage, click on the app launch, turn on the manage automatically, click on the force stop, go back, click on open by default, click on the open supported links in the app, make sure it's on always allow. Now go back, go to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Instagram and click on update. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this tutorial.